I don't wanna know if you bought puts, keep it on the low. Cause your account can't take it anymore. YouTube. What it do? It's your boy Little Petty checking in with you guys with a live stock market episode. And in today's episode, you guys, we're just checking in, you know what I'm saying? We're going to check in the market. We're going to show you guys, we're going to talk about why is the stock market so bullish? Why are stocks going up? The stock market does not want to go down. It's just what it seems like. And Little Petty has been making money selling puts. So if you've been buying puts, your account is probably not looking too well. So I'm not here to really try to talk down on anybody. I'm just saying, why is the stock market so bullish? What's going on? And to sum things up in the short, the easiest way to say it is stocks usually go up, and the pandemic, everybody is looking to short the market, but we are having more green candles than red candles. So the trend is your friend until the very end. So as you guys all know, in my stock market channel, I talk about stocks. I go over the stock market and we talk about the trades. I show you my live accounts with my money that I've put in here so you guys can learn the education and see how to actually take action on selling credit spreads. And it's a little bit of day trading, but I'm not here to talk about the day trading because Little Petty does not like to day trade. But lately I've been doing pretty good on my day trades. We can talk about that for a second. So the play I do want to talk about on the day trade, we took 2 day trades today. We took a day trade on Twilio and we took a day trade scalp on Facebook. Now, but as of right now, I'm kind of like not in the trading mode, so I'm not like too active in the market. I just kind of wanted to show you guys some of the charts and come on live. Honestly, I really just wanted to come on live and drop a video. So today we ended up grabbing this Twilio call. We bought it at 647 and we closed out our NIO swing trade that we set up in my last video. I talked about that. So we took a NIO trade, or a Twilio calls. We bought the 240 calls at 647 and then we double dipped at 57 and then we sold out about after like 30 minutes and took a nice $300 profit. Now the trade though, overall it went a lot higher. So we bought it at 45 and 57. So we bought it low right here. We called it out in the Discord chat and it popped up and I sold at this candle. Now it made a pullback and now it's ripping up. Go to the daily chart on Twilio. So we've been trading this stock for the past few weeks, and what it does, it usually grinds. Like, it doesn't look like these are big moves, but these are like 10-point moves. So this stock does move good. We just closed out a credit spread on it too that we had set up too. Talked about it in my other video too. And make sure you guys follow my Twitter. The second trade that we took a Facebook trade. So the market dropped off and I ended up buying a Facebook call when it started bottoming out. I said, okay, this is probably a good chance to make it up towards the VWAP. And that's what we did over here in the Tastyworks account. So we got filled on Facebook, 182, and we sold out for like 30 bucks. 23 bucks profit. But as you can see right now, the Facebook trade, it doubled. So I obviously didn't hold long enough, but I just wanted to get out the trade. So, and as you can see now, it's in the money and going higher. So, but overall this account is up 446 bucks on the day. We got clapped on those IWMs. I held them too long, but I did just cut my loss today. So I took like a $300 loss on that. So if I would have closed this out like a responsible trader, this account would be up close to 2,000. So, but that's all right though. As long as this account's at 1,000, that's cool for me. And for the credit spread account, this account is already doubled. And the trades that we have my buddies holding these plays. I'm in one of them, and that's about it. We're holding the Spotify. We closed out one of the spot trades. I posted that on my Twitter, and now we're still holding the 270s that we rolled over. So hopefully Spotify will close above 270. So let's go back to that chart real quick. So Spotify came down to 262, and this stock has been volatile too. So the stocks I've been trading are on uptrends. I like to trade with the trend. So if you look at Spotify, NIO is on the uptrend. We got money out of that. Tesla, we've been trading Tesla, uptrend. Looks like it's forming another flag, so I would expect this to actually, those 1500s might hit next week. Facebook's choppy, so we took a day trade on it. I haven't really been too confident with Facebook, but Facebook overall, it is setting up to, looks like it's going to go higher. So I'm letting my shares work. And Square's been on a tear, so I'm holding Squares. I'm holding shares of Square, and I've been holding these since about 60 bucks. So, and I feel like there's one more trade that we were playing. Spotify, Twilio. We did take a trade in ZM, so let's go ahead and check this chart out. This is a swing trade, and like I said, so this level right here intrigued me. I pulled the trigger, I want to say on the 6th, when the stock came down here and it made this bounce, and then it came down. It's been hanging out around this 263 level, so let's zoom out and show you what this 263 level is. It's from this high pivot. So now it looks like we're going to be breaking out to the upside. So this is the other stock that I've been following and trading. So ZM is looking good. Looks like it's going to have another breakout to the upside to come test these highs. So the first alert I will set will be this breakdown candle right here. As you can see, this is the hourly chart. So if we get above that, that'll be a good spot to start looking. Well, actually, yeah. So what is my ZM trade? So yeah, I'm holding the 265s and the 262.5. So these need to hopefully by tomorrow. I've been closing my trades out a little early, which is the responsible thing to do. So, and as you can see, my account is reflected off of that. So closing out the trades a little early is good. You can hold. Most of my trades usually do close out as a win. But overall for my day trade, so let's go back to Facebook, because these stocks are literally just ripping, and I literally sold this way too early. So I sold it at 203. Now it's worth $4. And if you see, I had an order for 310. I canceled it, and but that's cool, man. I'm cool. Profit is profit, and that's the thing that you guys are gonna start learning as when you're in the stock market. Just as long as you're consistently taking profit, you might not get the big moves, but sometimes you wait for the big move, and if you don't feel your profit, then it pulls back, and then I've done that so many times. So I'm okay with taking profit along the way and taking small trades. So Twilio is breaking out all-time high. And like I said, we were in this call today. We just didn't hold it. We got out on this first pop, which is that's a perfect trade. So if you want to scale up on trading too, just imagine if you're buying, just a couple $1,000s on a day trade. That would have been a few $1,000. Yeah, it would have been extra, but we're not here to gamble. We're here to take a trade and get in and get out. Just like with NIO. So today with NIO, we closed out at the top. Let me show you. NIO, we closed these out at 631 and 637. And I don't even trade the 1 minute chart. So we got out at 631 and then 637. And there's no need to hold it. You take your profit and you you get on with your day. Or that's Facebook. I'm tripping. Naya. There we go. Even better. So 6:31, we got out on this pop, and then we got out at 6:37. Boom. Right before 1 minute before the top. And as you can see, it hasn't got up there since. So now let me pull up my Discord chat real quick. Pull up the Discord chat and show you guys. I want to show you guys a few of these call outs that me and my people are up in my Discord chat are doing. So I've been calling Twilio out basically all day. Talked about Square, and I think over here my buddy would called out the where was the play at? Oh, it was right when the stock market had dropped. It said it's probably time to get some calls right here. I was thinking, and that's literally so right here. All right. Possibly play bounce here 8:25. SPY. So what happened was right here. Let me zoom up for you guys. I said, damn, SPY dropped. Boom. I said, what? It's probably a news event because I'm not really in the market right now. I'm jumping back in the market right now, but once I log out of here, I'm done for the day. So I had got an alert. SPY had dropped. So let me pull up the chart real quick. 8:25. That's when we were talking about playing the bounce. So right around in this candle right here. So I got an alert. SPY was dropping. Boom. It's coming up to my number, this 312. So let's zoom out and see where this 312 level is coming from. So this has been just a clear level of support. All the way back from the first resistance area when we dropped. So this spot right here is a key level. So it comes down, it taps my number. We're talking about buying calls in the Discord chat. Said, yeah, this is probably a good time to play the bounce. And then right at 30, we're talking about the bounce. And I say, okay, Qs are giving the first sign of the reversal. IWM is still weak. So what we're looking at is, as a trader, QQQ, when the stock market is in a bullish scenario and you get these pullbacks and then you get these wicks that set up for like a whiplash reversal, that's saying buyers are down here. Buyers just got filled. People are buying up the stock. Look at the volume. So people are buying the shares at these levels. So they're buying the shares at these levels. So that's basically saying that the stock is going to hold that level of support. And what happens, it bounces. I don't know why my memory is low on this TD Ameritrade. So, but the IWM was weak around the time. It was still a little weak. But as you can see, it reversed and it's still weaker. It's still below the VWAP. If you go to the NASDAQ's above VWAP. Now it's playing with the VWAP, and SPY is weak too. So, but that was the bounce play. We played the bounce play, and I'm basically done for the day unless I get another setup. As you can see, I only have $167 of buying power. I used up my buying power today on Twilio. Got in and got out and got ahead, and we will look for tomorrow. I haven't been like really headhunting for trades in this account. The swing trading has been doing my account very well. I've been able to pay myself, pay my bills, take money out of this account every week. So that's the goal with this account. We're gonna keep this account with about maybe $2,000 to $3,000 buying power. Anything more than that, don't really need any more to make $500, $600, $700 out of the week. But YouTube, I appreciate you guys checking in. And Little Petty is out. Hello?